What's up everyone? In this video, you will learn how to take the full page screenshots for free. Have a look at this screenshot. This is a full page screenshot of a website. Traditionally, you take a screenshot of the window view or screen view. If you have to capture multiple things on the same page, just imagine the process of clicking and taking multiple screenshots. And if you want to bring those screenshots together, you have to put some extra work on Canva, Photoshop, and on some other graphic designing tools. But don't worry, you will be learning a new browser extension through which you can take 4-page screenshots. Exactly like this, you are watching on screen. If you're new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Now the browser extension I am talking about is Go Full Page. This is compatible with Google Chrome and Edge. All you need to do is just go ahead and install the extension. If you are using Google Chrome like me, you will see this button. Add to Chrome, just click on it. Once you have installed and added to your Chrome browser, don't forget to pin it by clicking this button. As you can see after pinning it on the browser, now you can see all the options right on the bar. Now to take the full page screenshot, all you need to do is go to your desired website or page. Click on this camera button and wait for a while. Here you go guys, now you have two options. You can download it as a PNG file by clicking on this download button, or you can download it as a PDF by clicking on this button. Now this tool has also a paid version, where you will get access to the editor dashboard, so you can edit, crop, add text and emojis, and much more to your screenshots to look professional and interesting. Link to both free and paid version is in the description. That's all for now. If you find the video informative, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.